Hello, citizens. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Etsy profile. Okay, let's go head up to the laptop now. Okay, I'm on my laptop now. So updating your Etsy profile is just as important as updating your shop. Why? Because it gets people to know who you are and why you love what you love and your story. You know, the whole thing about businesses and Etsy shops, the whole point is people are not just attached to what you make, but they also attach to you as, your story, your why, your everything. It's just as important. So I'm on Etsy.com, and let's say you haven't done anything to your profile yet. So we're going to click on view, right? And we're going to go view profile. So your profile should be blank. Okay? So we're going to edit our profile. Okay. So apparently I didn't verify my email address. I just did that, so I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, there we are. So make sure you add a profile picture. Now the best kind of picture to add is you smiling, and not fake smiling, for real smiling, okay? Like you mean it. Don't give me the scary customer service, smile. Because I've seen some people do that. Really creepy. Don't be like that. Genuine smile is always important. Okay? So add your profile picture, your name, you can change it or remove it. You can put gender or you don't have to put a gender. That's not that important. Okay. Pick your city, your birthday. Your birthday doesn't show up anywhere, but now what's really, really important is your About Me section. Now this is where you get to tell your story of who you are, why you decided to open up an Etsy shop, why you love making what you make, why you make what you make. That is what's important. So you can, in your profile, which is public to everyone, so you can pick, your shop, your favorite items, favorite shops, treasury list, teams. You don't have to do all that. You can just have your shop up there, and you got everything else can be private. But if all these are clicked, that means everyone gets to see that on your profile. Okay, and don't forget to click Save Changes. That's very, very important. Okay, and that's how you update your Etsy profile. Okay, citizens, before I go, don't forget to sign up in the link below in my description for my email list. That way I can send you some awesome freebies, other videos that might be helpful to you. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. And remember, if you don't quit, you won't fail. And it's never too late to follow your dreams. Bye-bye, everyone.